Hi, dear friends. Today we will discuss the levels of management. If you go through the history of management in earlier days, when the management was not so complex, there were only two layer in the management, or there were only two levels of management. One was mainly consist of owners, and other one is supervisor or manager who control the functions. So the owner of the organization or owner of a business broadly laid down the policies, broadly laid down the objectives, and it was the duty of the supervisor or the manager to work accordingly. But when management developed gradually, and there were some complexities also included in the management, the levels of management also increased. Nowadays we have basically three kinds or three levels of management. That is top management, then middle management, and third one is lower management. As far as top management is concerned, it consists of board of directors, chairmen, managing directors, and chief executives. The top management, the main function or duties of top management is related with conceptual and human skills. The top management, with consultation with the owners, laid down the objectives of the organization, basic objectives of the organization, and they also lay down the broad policies for the organization. The main function of, if we go through the nature of main functions of the top management, they are basically doing thinking work. As far as implementation and other works are concerned, they are not doing this, because their main objective is to lay down policies, to plan for the organization, to make policies for the organization. So their nature of work is mainly related with thinking. And then next level of management is middle management. Middle management is a very crucial management, because it is directly related with top management, and at the same time it is also directly related with the lower management or the supervisory level of management. The middle management consists of different departmental heads like finance, financial head, marketing head, production head, and um, personnel head, etc. Their main work or nature of job is to take some operative decisions and to run the respective department and implement the policies which were laid down by the top management. So they are whole and soul of their own department, but they have to work according to the policies laid down, or the according to the parameters laid down by the top management. So there must be a better coordination between top and middle management. Top level management decides the policy, and middle management implement the policy. So they require operating skill also. They also make policies for their own department, not for the entire organization, but for their own department. So they need human skill also, and they also need operating skill also. And next and last, the lowest level of management is known as supervisory level, or the lower level. It consists of office manager, superintendents, general foreman, and foreman. Uh, this is the level where actual work is done. Day-to-day functioning of the organization, or daily feedback taking from the labor who produce something, or doing something are directly related with their superiors, supervisor and foremen. So whatever the problems of labor, or whatever the requirements of the labor, or whatever the conditions, etc., all are supervised or managed by the foremen or superintendents. So they are directly connected with the labor, or they are directly connected with the person who are actually doing or producing something for the organization. The lower level is not directly connected with the top management. So whatever lower management want to say or to communicate to the top management, they have to go through the middle management. So day to day functioning is primary duty or function of the lower management. These are the basically three levels of management. But if the organization is big enough, we can go through for another layer or another level, and we can add one more level at the middle level also, and one intermediary level, and then middle manager. We can also make this kind of levels in management. So basically there are three kinds or three levels in management. But the organization is big enough, and the organization is multinational and working in different countries, we can add one or two levels also. But more levels you add to the organization, it certainly means the more complexities and more cost you have to bear it. So according to your requirement, you can adjust, you can reduce level, or you can increase levels. But the nature of job, as far as top level, middle level or lower level, the nature of job is different. Top level only thinking, middle management thinking plus executing, and lower level only executive work is done. So these are the basic and three principles, three levels of management in we generally find in an organization.